lift it. Lift it a little bit. You got it, Maya? You understand? Alright, we'll eat to put in the salt. Maya? You ready? Yes, chef. Say Maya, say yes, chef. The water, right? Then put it in. Maybe a little bit more. You think this one will be good? You think this will be good? Okay, let's try. Please err on the side of caution, okay? Get a bigger lid. Welcome back. Wow. So the reason why we're doing it is you want to let the okra cook in its own water, right? And also it helps the potatoes because you know, like you have like really firm potatoes. This will make it nice and soft, so you can just kind of like slip the pork in and eat it. Now,
What do you say, Maya?
say yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Got it? Perfect.
Amazing.